Okay, welcome back to my channel. If you are not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and then also hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload new content. Today I have a little haul video for you. And the first thing that I wanted to show you that I got was at Walmart, and I didn't know they were selling these at Walmart. I just kind of ran onto them, but it is the Happy Planner sticker books, the new ones, Gardening number 1 and Gardening number 2. And if you're interested in seeing the inside of these books, I have a flip through, and I will link that video down below in the comments. So I got both these at Walmart. And then I picked up this another new one. It's the Happy Planner Adulting sticker book, and I will also link the flip through video for this one in the comments down below if you are interested in seeing what's inside. And then a couple things from Amazon. The first thing I got was I got some more of the Gator glue. I like the Gator glue. I use the glue that I have for different things. I like it. This is a thinner glue, and kind of comes out pretty fast. I don't have a really fine tip on it, but they do give you this, you know, this nozzle when you first get it. Your glue comes like this with a lid on it, and then they send you also the nozzle with the finer tip. And actually I got 3 of these by mistake. I ordered one of them from Amazon, and they sent me 2 packages, and the second package had 2 glues in it, and when I looked inside it had an invoice in it for someone else, so this was their order. So when I talked to Amazon, they said, you know, just keep it. We will resend the correct order to the person that they were supposed to send it to in the first place. So I ended up with 3 Gator glues, which is fine with me. I can use them. The second thing I got was this set of inserts. And with this one you get 80 sheets, so you get a bunch. These will last us forever. And these are auto fuel maintenance log for your vehicle. It says the date, the description, gallons, and the odometer. So you can keep track as you are filling up your car. And then on the back it has a place for like notes. And I like to keep track of when we do any kind of maintenance for our car. Getting ready to put windshield wipers on, so I will put that down in here. Whenever we get an oil changed or any kind of repairs, we keep them on this. And I just keep this in I just keep a couple of them in my personal size ring planner. So I got that. And then next I got this is called an on-the-go Folio sticker album. And this is from, I got it on Amazon, and it's by Erin Condren. So it comes like this, all flat, and then when you take it out of the package, you just fold it up. It says peace, love, and stickers. And then if you have the Erin Condren Folio, I believe it's the Petite Planner, it will slip right into your Petite Planner, and you can keep it with that. I just want it for my on-the-go stickers and keeping things organized. And it has 24 sheets of the clear pockets inside. They are top loading. So I like that it's really thin, and it's like a vinyl-ish plastic, so it should hold up really well. And I will link all these products in the description below. The next thing I got was this Paper House Life Organized Weekly Color Sticker Book, and it's by Birds Fly Studios. You get 30 sheets, and it also includes foiling. and it's just a very simple sheet for a just adding a little decoration to your week. I use it daily, so this just adds a little bit for my and each sheet is good enough for a week. I don't like a ton of decoration, but it's a super cute book, very different layouts, and I think, yeah, you get 30 sheets, so that'll take you 30 weeks to use this. So super cute. I'll just do a real quick flip through so you can see. And this is from Amazon also, so I will link it in the comments below. Plenty of gold foiling in it. I like this one. This has the leaves and it's fall, so this is good for all year long. Not the same sticker books like the Happy Planner. You just get, you know, different layouts and such. So that is that. And then the last two things I picked up were just some makeup products. This is L'Oreal Paris, the eyeshadow that I use. And it's infallible, and the color is Endless Pearl. So I will link it in the description. But this is the base eye color I use, and so I always buy a little, just even though I buy a palette, I get this in just its own little thing because I use more of it. If I use it out of the palette, then it's gone. And then I got this Lamora Au Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette. If I can get it out. And it looks like that. And this is a nice palette, very neutral, and I can use all these colors, and I believe it was like $12 or $13, so not a bad price. And then the last thing I have to show you is I did a planner swap with someone in one of my Facebook groups, and she sent me this sticker binder. Super cute, and it's made by Russell and Hazel. It has like a cloth-like and then cloth-like exterior, and then the gold corners, and then she filled this up with sticker kits. Some other things that she added to it was this little to-do booklet that I'm going to just add to my personal planner. So that's super cute and handy. She sent me these dividers for my personal size planner. And then just some extra sheets of, these are from the EC Planner Kit Lady, just some gray boxes. And then some bill stickers, water bill, house payment, electric bill, cell phone bill, car and home insurance, DirecTV, and then miscellaneous. So some of those I can use. I don't use all of those. And then this, I'll do a quick flip through, is the kits that she put in. I'm not going to take the kits out or anything, but most of them are anywhere from 2 to 6 pages. There's like a Valentine's one and then a winter one. These are perfect for my personal planner. This is Aylin's Creations, and these are made specifically for the personal planner. There's a January sticker kit, 2 February sticker kits, Cricut Paper Company, and then another one from Cricut Paper Company, which is Succulents. Here's a really cute one from Cricut Paper Company for the summer. And this one's real cute. It has scalloped edges, is what the name of the sticker company is called. Stick It To Be. Yeah, Stick It To Be. This one is by, which is really cute, the Honeybee Shop. And here's a couple more from the Honeybee Shop. And this one is from Sticker Sunshine. And then I have several pages to add the kits that I have in here. But that is my haul. I will link everything that I mentioned in the comments below. And have a wonderful weekend. And I'll be back soon with more videos.